Guna, it has already been introduced for the public. Thank you.
Okay. Robert John Ouko. Thank you, Stanley. I believe you understand English. I'll read the charges. Chris Philip Obure, Robert John Ouko Bondo, you are charged with failing to secure a firearm contrary to Section 4A B, the Firearms Act Cap 114, laws of Kenya, and the particulars read: Chris Philip Obure, on the 21st day of August 2020 at Centel Plaza in Glojet offices, while being a licensed firearm holder, allowed your firearm, Mini Seska, serial number B156623, otherwise unlawfully permitted another person, Robert John Ouko Bodo, to take possession or use of that firearm to advance the cause of murder. Is it true or not true, Mr. Chris? Chris Philip, or not true? Count 2, failing to secure ammunition contrary to Section 4A B of the Firearm Act, Cap 114, laws of Kenya, and the particulars of the offense read: Chris Philip Obure, on the 21st day of August 2020 at Centel Plaza in Glojet offices, being a licensed firearm holder, allowed your ammunition, otherwise unlawfully permitted another person, Robert John Ouko Bodo, to take possession or use that ammunition to advance the cause of murder. Is it true or not true, Chris Philip? Okay. Not true to count 2. Count 3, being in possession of firearm without a firearm certificate contrary to Section 4.1 as read with Section 4.3 of the Firearm Act, Cap 14, laws of Kenya. Robert John Ouko Bodo, on the 21st day of August 2020 at Galana Suites, house number 703 along Galana Road in Kilimani sub-county within Nairobi County, without reasonable excuse, had in your possession a firearm serial number B156623, make pistol Mini Seska, which raised reasonable presumption that the said firearm, which was used to commit the offense of murder without a firearm certificate. Is it true or not true, Robert John Ouko?
True.
Come again?
True.
True. Count number 4, being in possession of ammunition without a firearm certificate contrary to Section 4.1 as read with Section 4.3 of the Firearm Act, Cap 114, laws of Kenya. Particulars of the offense read: Robert John Ouko Bodo, on the 21st day of August 2020 at Galana Suites, house number 703 along Galana Road in Kilimani sub-county within Nairobi County, without reasonable excuse, had in your possession 13 ammunitions without a firearm certificate. Is it true or not true, Robert John Ouko? Not true.
So,
reluctant because the issue of bail is so settled that unless you insist that we address you on the matter, of course we are applying for bail, we think that this is a bailable offense, but unless you insist, it would be burdening you with something that you are familiar with. We stand guided accordingly.
Your Honor, after the objection to what? Says that the this as the first time of the file, the purpose of the which I will say.
Accused person. The second accused person. And is facing another charge in the High Court on criminal case number E20 of 2020, which the bail terms and bail bond conditions have not been set yet, though the same is also a bailable offense. I would urge the court to consider that even in that particular case, the accused person has already filed an application for bail. And given that bail terms and conditions are yet to be set in that file, we'll humbly request the court to consider that the accused person is only a bodyguard who is currently not in employment, owing to circumstances leading to him being charged in this particular matter, and is a man of meager means. We humbly request that you be lenient enough to give him reasonable bond terms and in alternative reasonable cash bail, given that it is yet to fulfill the conditions that have to be set out in terms of bond and bail terms in the High Court, and that might reach. Humbly requesting that the court be lenient in the terms that are being set in this particular matter to enable him secure his release